Today we would like to share an article published by Hitable in January of 2024 about solar power statistics of the United Kingdom. At the same time, the article compared the UK figure with the global data. So what is the global solar capacity? Solar capacity denotes the highest potential output of an entity, whether it is a country or a solar farm. It is estimated that in 2023, between 341 and 402 GW of solar will be installed worldwide. This upward trajectory is projected to persist. In fact, the IEA, International Energy Agency, anticipates that global solar capacity will triple by the end of 2027, ultimately becoming the world's dominant power source. You may be curious how much solar energy reaches Earth daily. At any given moment, our Earth is bathed in an astonishing 173,000 terawatts TW of solar energy, a revelation substantiated by a leading researcher in the field. This impressive figure dwarfs the world's entire energy usage over the same time frame by a factor exceeding 10,000. To place this immense solar energy influx into context, it is worth noting that the current global population consumes approximately 23,900 terawatt-hours (TWh) of electricity each year, with a significant portion deriving from conventional fossil fuel sources. How much solar energy is consumed globally? According to our World in Data, the average per capita solar energy consumption in 2022 stood at 432 kWh. Australia emerged as the champion in solar energy consumption per capita for 2022, where they embrace a whopping 3,868 kWh per person. Following the sunlit trail were the Netherlands, Japan, Israel, and Chile. Examining energy consumption per capita rather than the overall aggregate proves highly enlightening when comparing countries. What is the UK solar capacity? As of 2023, data from the Solar Energy UK reveals that the United Kingdom's total solar capacity has reached an impressive 15 gigawatts GW. Moreover, the sun's influence on our energy landscape is set to grow, with a remarkable 0.952 gigawatts of solar PV capacity being added across the UK between June 2022 and June 2023 alone. A gleaming example of this upward trajectory can be seen in the domestic sector, where solar panel installations nearly doubled in 2022 compared to the previous year. What is the best area of the UK to install solar? According to MCS data, around 10% of households in Cornwall have solar panels installed. That's over 23,000 households, making it the most popular place to install solar in the UK. The reason for this is that Cornwall receives more sunlight hours and exposure than anyone else in the UK. Which country has the most solar panels? China leads the world by a considerable margin in terms of its solar capacity. China's remarkable growth in the solar industry is truly astonishing. Over the past decade, their solar installations have experienced an explosive expansion, increasing from a modest 2.5 gigawatts GW of cumulative capacity in 2011 to a staggering 393 GW by 2023. Even more impressively, China's influence extends well beyond its borders. Today, they produce approximately 80% of the world's solar panels, solidifying their pivotal role in the global solar industry. What percentage of the UK's energy is solar? Solar power's share in the UK's total energy generation remains relatively modest, with the year 2023 seeing it contribute to just approximately 2.3% of the total energy production. The encouraging news, however, lies in the ongoing change as solar capacity continues to grow year by year. This is a positive sign for a nation committed to achieving carbon neutrality. For reference, it is worth noting that renewables, as a whole, make a significant stride by accounting for a record-breaking 47.8% of the UK's energy generation in the first quarter of 2023. So, how many solar panels are in the UK? According to official data from the MCS, there are approximately 1.3 million solar panel installations across the entire UK. To put this into perspective, with the UK housing around 29 million households, these 1.3 million solar panel arrays make up approximately 4.1% of the total households. Moreover, beyond domestic installations, there are also commercial installations and solar farms to consider. In fact, the solar boasts an estimated 1,000 solar farms at present. How many solar panels would be required to power the entire country? To envision the UK powering itself entirely with solar energy, it would necessitate an expansive 29,690 square kilometers of land for housing the solar panels. This constitutes a substantial 12% of the UK's total landmass. Where is the largest solar farm in the world? The world's largest solar farm, the Golmud, G-O-L-M-U-D, solar farm or solar park is situated in China. Found in Qinghai province, this solar complex comprises a staggering 80 solar power plants with a combined capacity of 2.8 gigawatts. This remarkable capacity is more than sufficient to provide electricity for over 1 million households. The second largest solar farm, the Bhadla, B-H-A-D-L-A solar farm or solar park, is nestled in the Thar Desert of India, Thar, Thar Desert of India, encompassing a vast expanse of 14,000 acres. It boasts a formidable total capacity of 2.7 gigawatts.